Hey folks, welcome to the All In Landscape YouTube channel. Our goal is to help you become a better landscape contractor, business person, hardscaper, etc. Today I want to show you this is a Yanmar. It won't have stickers for long. It'll say Almond very soon, but our Yanmar Vio17 or VIO, I don't know what it is, but little 1.7 ton machine here. Expanding tracks, all sorts of stuff. Cool little machine. We're looking forward to showing you what this thing can do. Here we go. Oh, well, there we go. So we got this little guy to be on the planting crew or a smaller install crew so that we're not having to take the 6-ton machine out and to save. This is just a diesel powered shovel. It's got a little 14 horse diesel engine in it. Like I said, it's gonna say Almond soon, so we're not advertising for free, and we're gonna advertise ourselves. These tracks expand and contract as needed to the width of the machine when it's that way. It does have a swivel king post via that unit there. You got a safety switch here. Your diesel access is right here. I don't love that because it's gonna get all spilled and nasty. Went open cab for cost. We'll have a steel wrist on this thing in about a year, I think. The blade will fold in, so with these tracks you can get the size of the machine. And I haven't really done a lot of digging with it. This really be actually the most dig I've done. And this is to fill Brittany's tulip beds up by the office up there. So here we go. Let's see how she goes. Yeah, that thing is cool. That is going to be real handy. Again, 1.7 tons, and it's got some chain down points. I guess that part's okay. The controls are super simple. I like that. The fuel gauge, all that's super visible. The throttle's not in the most convenient place. I wish the throttle was a little more convenient. Also wish it had I love the auto throttle down. I freaking love that. But whatever. But other than that, great reach, just a great little machine. We went with a quick attach bucket thing for it. I'll show you that here in a little bit. I gotta get out of the guy's way here. I gotta move this mud up to Brittany's tulip beds. So again, some views of the operator platform here. The pedal controls, so flop down like that so you can run with your feet and all that. And why that's important to use to operate and run with your feet is so that you can operate the rest of the machine and have it available instead of doing this and you gotta stop. You're just become more fluid then, so that's nice that they do that. That's cool. This is kind of your safety, if you will, to keep you from accidentally stepping on it and pivoting your boom there. We'll start that up on the king post. One thing I think I noticed so far, this thing has a tiny fuel tank and I've had to fill that up like several times. Okay, so we'll pick the boom up here. Again, boom, stick. So this is the boom, the big part here. This is the stick. I think the Brits call it a dipper as well. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Dipper and a tipper in a dump truck. But anyways, our king post swivels there. You see my toe. So that's really nice for getting in and just all sorts of different angular things and all that. So we'll switch out buckets, like I said, a little later here, but just wanted to show you that. So okay, we'll put a few more scoops in this to put up Miss Brit's tulip beds and we're good to go.